Hello everyone, welcome to our ServiceNow HRST series. In today's video, we are diving into an overview of ServiceNow HRST. This will give you a solid foundation on what it is, the challenges it addresses, its key features, and the benefits it brings to organization. Let's get started. What is ServiceNow HRST? So first let's define HRST. ServiceNow HR Service Delivery is a solution designed to transform and automate HR services within organization. Essentially, it helps HR teams streamline their operations, reduce manual tasks, and improve the overall employee experience. HRST aims to ensure that employees can easily access the HR support they need, whether it's for onboarding, benefit inquiries, or resolving workplace concern. Traditional HR processes often involve a lot of manual repetitive work. Employees may struggle with unclear processes, leading to delays and frustration. HRST tackles these issues by offering a centralized platform that ensure efficient communication, visibility, and faster resolution of HR cases. What makes it even more powerful in its seamless integration with the ServiceNow platform. This means HRST can, alongside ITSM, CSM, and other ServiceNow modules, creating a unified digital experience for the entire organization. Next, let's talk about the key features of HRST. These features are designed to address the core needs of HR teams and employees alike. HR case management. This allows HR teams to track, manage, and resolve employee requests efficiently. It centralizes all HR cases, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Then HR knowledge management. Employees gain access to a curated knowledge base that helps them find answers to common HR related questions on their own, reducing the workload on HR teams. Then HR service portal, a user friendly portal where employees can submit requests, track case status, and find help resources. It's all about empowering employees with self service options. Then, employee lifecycle events. From onboarding to promotion and offboarding, HRST streamlines the entire employee lifecycle with automated workflows and tasks, ensuring a smooth experience at every stage. Now, let's explore the benefits of implementing HRST. Improved employee experience. With centralized access to HR services and faster resolutions, employee feels supported and valued. Streamlined HR processes. By automating repetitive tasks and workflows, HR teams can focus on strategic initiatives instead of being bogged down by manual work. Reduced manual tasks for HR teams. Automation reduces human error and speeds up processes, allowing HR professionals to dedicate their time to higher value activities. Then faster case resolution times. A structured approach to case management ensures that employees get their issues resolved quicker, leading to greater satisfaction. Finally, let's look at some of common use cases for HRST in organization. Onboarding and offboarding process. Automating tasks like document submission, training, assignments, and equipment allocation ensures a seamless transition from new hires and departing employees. HR case escalation management. With case management tools, HR teams can quickly escalate and resolve more complex employee issues. The knowledge article self service employee can independently find answers to frequently asked questions, minimizing the need for direct HR intervention. Then, managing employee relation cases. HRST provides tools to document, track, and resolve sensitive employee relation cases with transparency and accountability. That wraps up of our overview of ServiceNow HRST. We have explored that what it is, its key features, the benefits it provides, and how it's used in real world scenarios. Stay tuned for more videos in this series where we will dive deeper into each of these areas. Thanks for watching and see you next time.